Hello everyone, welcome again to Wendy Styles. Please check out this trending short natural haircut for women in 2026. One thing about today's hairstyle is that their haircuts that really turns out that 2026 has plenty to say about style, and not just for 20 somethings. From a breezy hairdo to something more structured, this looks proves that great taste only gets sharper with time. If you really want a short natural haircut with a lot of movement, I would like you to please take this beautiful short natural style like the Pixies. Could be your next go-to, because it's a style that keep it perky without even crowding your face, especially if you go for that razor cut finish. One thing about the style is bold and is a style that works beautifully on very short hair. So even if your strands are thinning or very weak, like sometimes when we get ready our hairs are thinning out a bit, so the haircut will really help to give you that younger look, and is a style that will really add instant energy to your look. You can also pair it with glasses for women that wears glasses, with a soft line and natural green, giving off that slightly, rock and roll charm. So this is a haircut that is ideal for older black women, and is a cut that will make you feel modern and somewhat sassy. So with enough detail to avoid looking rigid, this haircut will really make you look sophisticated. So I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end. Let me know your minds on how you feel about this haircut. Please don't just watch. If it's your first time, watch, and please subscribe to Wendy Styles. A big thank you to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Styles, and see you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.